Now, let's take a look at the coding agent, Gilly. When you switch to the coding agent, Vigly instantly detects technical questions on your screen. Here, it captures the coding problem directly from the browser without needing any copy-paste. Gilly analyzes the question, breaks it down step by step, and provides a clear, structured solution outline you can follow during the interview. You can also ask follow-up questions at any time. In this example, I'm typing a related question into the prompt and Gilly responds immediately with context-aware guidance. In a real interview, you don't need to type anything. Vigly automatically listens to the interviewer's coding questions and answers naturally, completely discreet, with no visible key presses or detectable behavior on your system. The coding agent works across all major coding platforms, including HackerRank, CoderPad, CodeSignal, LeetCode, and many more, adapting to whatever environment your interviewer uses. Whether it's algorithms, data structures, system logic, or debugging, the coding agent keeps you confident, clear, and in control throughout the interview.